It's easy to book a rental car with VroomVroomVroom. Here is a guide to help you find, compare, and reserve vehicles in locations across the United States. Head to www.vroomvroomvroom.com to start searching. In the orange search box, specify the location where you would like to pick up and return your vehicle. If you are planning to return your rental car to a different location, please uncheck the Return to Same Location box. You will need to indicate where you intend on returning the vehicle. Keep in mind, if you are returning the vehicle to a second location, you may have to pay an additional one-way charge, which will be included in your total cost. With Map View, you will be able to broaden your search or find a rental car in a specific location that is convenient for you. Click View on Map to see results from other nearby locations and select any depots to add or remove them from the results. Select the dates and times when you intend to pick up and return the car. Note that the time you choose can affect the pricing, as car rental is charged in 24-hour periods. Confirm your country of residence and your age. In some cases, an underage surcharge will apply for young drivers between the ages of 21 and 25. Then click Search so you can start comparing. Car rental deals from our suppliers will appear on the results page. At the top of the page, you can choose to sort your results by cheapest price, vehicle size, supplier, or vehicle. Once you have found a car that matches your requirements, click on the See Details to find out more information about the vehicle. Confirm the details of your booking. Carefully check the specifications of the vehicle, as this page will tell you the passenger and luggage capacity. In the box reading Complete Your Booking, fill in your personal information. Check the box if you would like to receive an SMS confirmation of your booking, or if you would like to keep up to date with offers from VroomVroomVroom. If you're picking up your car from an airport, let us know your flight number so our suppliers can make arrangements if there are any delays to your journey. Carefully read the terms and conditions and click Confirm. You will receive a confirmation for your booking to your nominated email address. It's that easy. You have successfully booked a car. If you have any questions, be sure to contact our customer care team or reach out to us through Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can find us by searching @VroomCar Rentals.